Premier pension plan. Will investing in this plan help you achieve your dream lifestyle post retirement period or not? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in. We help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decisions to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand what is Kotak Premier pension plan. This is a traditional participating pension plan, and some of the key features of the Kotak Premier pension plan are that it provides you with guaranteed additions in the first 5 policy years, and you can also earn bonus from this policy from your 6th policy year onwards. And there is an assured benefit of 105% of your total premiums paid on death or vesting, and there is an additional protection through optional riders. So next we are going to take a look at the benefits available under the Kotak Premier pension plan. So first, there are two kinds of benefits under this plan which is available. First, we are going to take a look at the death benefit. So the death benefit is given to the nominee in case of unfortunate death of the life insured during the term of the Kotak Premier pension plan. So if this unfortunate event happens, then the nominee will get the death benefit, which will be assured benefit plus accrued guaranteed additions plus accrued reversionary bonus and terminal bonus if the life insured had any. So these will be given as the death benefit to the nominee. So there are two things that the nominee can do from the death benefit. One, they can purchase an immediate or deferred annuity with entire proceeds or part of it with the prevailing rate from the Kotak Life Insurance or any other insurer up to 50% of the entire proceeds. Or they can withdraw the entire proceeds of the policy. Next benefit they have here is the vesting benefit. So upon completion of the tenure of the Kotak Premier pension plan at maturity, the following benefits will be available to the policyholder, which you can see in the screen. What they will get is, as the vesting benefit is, basic sum assured plus accrued guaranteed additions plus accrued reversionary bonuses and terminal bonus if any, if the policyholder had. So what the policyholder can utilize this vesting benefit can be: one, they can utilize the entire proceeds to purchase an immediate or deferred annuity at the then prevailing annuity rate from the Kotak Life Insurance or any other insurer up to 50% of the entire proceeds. Or they can receive a lump sum of up to 60% of the vesting benefit tax free. So the remaining amount must be used to purchase an immediate or deferred annuity from the Kotak Life Insurance or any other insurer. Or they can purchase a single premium deferred pension product from Kotak Life Insurance at that time. Or they can even extend the accumulation period within the same policy with the same terms and conditions as the original policy, provided the life insured is below 55 years of age. So there is no minimum guarantee benefit available either on death benefit or on vesting. So this benefit will be equal to 105% of the total premiums paid till the date of death or vesting. So these are the benefits available under this plan, which if you can consider whether investing in this plan will be worth it or not. Now let's take a look at the advantages available under this plan. So you can choose your premium paying term at your own convenience, and you can increase the protection level of the Kotak Premier pension plan by selecting from a wide range of riders. And there are high sum assured discounts which are available to the policy holder. So these are some of the advantages under the Kotak Premier pension plan. Now, if you take a look at the disadvantages, this plan does not offer you a maturity benefit. Instead, at the end of the policy term, the final benefit is vested and not given to you in cash. And also, the bonuses are not guaranteed here. So, if you choose to surrender this plan, the surrender benefit can only be used to purchase a plan, either in full or in part. So these are some of the advantages and disadvantages which you need to carefully go through and consider before choosing to invest in this plan. So next, what we are going to do is, we are going to conduct an IRR analysis of the Kotak Premier pension plan, which is the analysis of this internal rate of return. Because no matter the benefits, advantages we can get from a policy, what matters at the end of the day is the return we get in a hand. So let us consider a 35-year-old male who buys the Kotak Premier pension plan with a sum assured of 10 lakhs. So both the policy term and the premium paying term are 20 years with an annual premium of 54,920 rupees. So what if he pays the premium regularly? The benefits rest at the end of the policy term, which includes the accrued guaranteed bonus and other bonuses will be given to him in the as the vesting benefit. So let us assume a rate of return at 4% in the worst case scenario and 8% in the best case scenario as per the figures mentioned in the Kotak Premier Pension Plan Policy Brochure. This is just to indicate for example purposes. This is not guaranteed return. So what we are going to do is let us conduct the IRR analysis where we will see what is the rate of return IRR at 4%. At 4%, we are getting an IRR of 3.02%, and at 8%, in the best case scenario, we are getting an IRR of 6.55%. So this 3.02% and 6.55%. Let's just say 3.02% is a return which is similar to the rate of interest you can get from a savings bank account. So if you do not invest your money anywhere else and just keep your money in your bank account, you can still get a similar return like this. So what is the advantage of investing your money, hard-earned money, for all these years and taking the risk by investing in a traditional participating policy? If you're only getting a 3.02% in the worst case scenario, and even in the best case scenario it's giving you a 6.55%, which is similar to a bank FD rate of return. It's not giving you any additional value. So we cannot say for sure that this plan can give you the returns that will help you comfortably live your life post retirement. So these rates and also these benefits are intended to be the purchase price for the immediate or deferred annuity plan offered by the Kotak Life Insurance. So the annuity rate is also determined at the time of purchase. So this internal rate of return may not be highly relevant. And also, even if it's relevant, it's not a return which is highly satisfying or convincing enough to invest our hard-earned money in this policy. So what we are going to do is we are going to conduct another analysis where we are going to compare Kotak Premier Pension Plan with other investment products or other alternative investment strategies available in the market, just to see if we can get a better return in an alternative approach. First, just for a fair comparison, we are going to invest in a pure term life insurance policy with a sum assured of 10 lakhs, which is available at an affordable premium of 5,500 per year, and the premium payment term of 20 years and the policy term is of 20 years. So these are similar to the metrics mentioned in the Kotak Premier Pension Plan. So but here the only difference is the annual premium, which we paid in Kotak Premier Pension Plan is for 54,920 rupees. Here we are only going to pay 5,500 rupees. So by choosing a term plan, we can save 48,790 rupees annually, which can be invested according to our personal risk tolerance. So what we are going to do is we have chosen two investment options, one which is risk free and one has risk in it. So first we are going to look at the risk-free option, which is PPF, Public Provident Fund, which is a government-backed scheme which gives you guaranteed returns and also has tax benefits under Section 80C. So if you invest in a combination of term insurance plus PPF for all these years, you can get an IRR of 6.19%. But here the main advantage in the return we get here is a guaranteed return and also the liquidity available in under PPF, because the corpus we have accumulated at the end of the policy term is readily available to us without any restrictions, whereas in the Kotak Premier Pension Plan some of the proceeds have to be gone to invest in purchasing an immediate or a deferred annuity plan under the Kotak Life Insurance. So this might be a more better option, and it's also giving you guaranteed returns which Kotak Premier Pension Plan can't offer you. But if you want to take a little more risk and invest in a risk related product like ELSS mutual funds, here why we are going to choose to invest in ELSS mutual funds is because ELSS mutual funds has a track record of giving you more than at least potentially 12% per annum, and it has consistently performed well in the market. So based on that track record, we are going to choose to invest in ELSS mutual funds, because in short term market is definitely highly unpredictable and has risk. But if you choose to invest in ELSS mutual fund for a long term period like 20 years or at least more than 7 to 10 years, you can expect a return potentially of up to 12%. So potentially you can expect that, but here the IRR is suggesting it's giving 10.53%. So here what you're getting is 36 lakhs 51,000, which is a post tax value, because in ELSS you have to pay tax. So even after you pay tax, you're getting an IRR of 10.53%, which is definitely an inflation beating return and has a significant difference compared to the return you get in Kotak Premier pension plan. So this is a return with which you can definitely enjoy your retirement life comfortably. So this is an inflation adjusted income which will keep you comfortably during your retirement period. And also such flexibility and direct access to your funds are not available with the Kotak Premier pension plan, which is also an important factor to consider. What is the final verdict? The final verdict on whether investing in the Kotak Premier pension plan is worth it or not is that we can definitely see claims as assisting in accumulating a retirement fund for your golden years. But is that suitable or is that sustainable for you in the long run? Because this fund is not available at your convenience, because even after paying the premiums you can only receive the annuity, which is not part of the Kotak Premier pension plan. Also, this annuity plan can be purchased only at the time of vesting at the prevailing annuity rates. So the vesting benefit in the Kotak Premier pension plan is not guaranteed, as it depends on year bonus declarations. Additionally, annuity rates are also not guaranteed. So these uncertainties cause us to mistrust in the Kotak Premier pension plan, and it also has a high agent commission. So what we can do is we can instead choose to invest in a diversified investment asset allocation like we have seen in PPF or ESS mutual funds according to our personal risk tolerance, and even invest in a pure term life insurance policy for a higher coverage with a more affordable premium. So these are some of the options available in the market which can give you better returns and better yield in the long run and better liquidity. So if you have doubts on how to customize your retirement plan, or which fund to choose to invest in, or how to invest in, or which strategy to follow to better suit your retirement needs, then you can definitely even consult a professional financial planner to let them help you personalize a retirement plan especially for you, which will suit your personal preference and your risk tolerance and help you in the long run. So involving a professional in personalizing your retirement plan is definitely a wise move, which you will find helpful in the long run. If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.